Hello friends, myself Dr. Ashali Kharke from Department of Geography, KVN Naik College, Nasik. Here I am going to explain very important topic from class F5 BSc paper number 1st Geomorphology, that is Wegener's continental drift theory. Continental drift was a theory that explains how continents and oceans shift position on the earth's surface. Its concept firstly put forward by Alfred Wegener in 1912. He was geophysicist and meteorologist. Wegener's theory of continental drift, after he published the details in 1915 in his book called as The Origin of Continents and Ocean. In his theory, he explained with the help of many examples, with the help of evidences. Now we are going to see what is the theory. According to Wegener, all the continents were united together in mega landmass and due to internal forces is drifted away from each other, and today's situation may possible. So for drifting, forces are responsible. First is the internal forces and second is the land masses and ocean floor. Land masses composed of Cl, that is a light material, and ocean floor are heavy material than the land masses because it composed by silica and magnesium. Now for better understanding, I have give the three stages of continental drift theory. That is stage number first. According to Wegener, stage number first is occurred at Carboniferous period when all the land masses are united together, and he named that land masses as a Pangea, and the water body on the continents that call as a Panthalassa. So according to Wegener, all the land masses were united together, that is called as a Pangea, and according to Wegener, huge water body cover Pangea, that is a Panthalassa. Then stage second, according to Wegener, it is also Carboniferous period due to water body and internal forces. Pangea is divided into two parts, like in the picture. North part is called as a Laurasia and southern part is called as Gondwana, and the sea between two land masses named as Tethys Sea by the Wegener. Now in stage second, all the features are here. Then due to internal forces, all these two land masses also divided and drifted away from each other, and today's position may possible. See in the picture, these are the today's position. We can see the 7 continents and different ocean paths on the globe. Thank you.